Hey guys, welcome again to another video here on our channel. Today we're going to be showing you guys this hotel here where we're staying called the London Marriott Kensington. So we're going to show you guys this because I've looked online and I couldn't really find a video that truly defines this hotel. And when reading online, I was under the impression with a lot of mixed reviews, and I'll show you guys some of the reviews here, which had me questioning a little bit of the hotel. So we're going to debunk a little bit of that, and we'll talk about why we selected this hotel and how our stay went. If you enjoyed this video, smack the like button. And if you are new to our channel, be sure to subscribe as we bring you more videos like this. Let's get started. Where's this hotel located? It's located right here in the Kensington area, specifically in South Kensington area here in London. The closest station to here has been Ealing Court. I think I'm saying that right, but that's the closest train station here. So from the airport, we took the train and got here, taking the Piccadilly line, and then walked about 7 minutes from the train station to the hotel. The hotel itself, it's really nice, centrally located with a lot of attractions nearby, such as Hyde Park. The Buckingham Palace is not that far from here as well, and it's located near, again, train station, shops, basically things that you need. As we looked online, people say that this hotel looks old, dated. I will say I am not so sure about that. Yes, on the hallway it does look dated, but the room itself, it is really modern. So I'm going to show you guys later how the room looks like. But for now, let's see how the outside looks like, and then we'll look into the lobby. And then I'm also going to show you guys a little bit of the amenities that they provide for the elite members, which is the lounge. And then also show you the restaurant that's available called the Bistro, and for breakfast where we had breakfast. So as you can see, the lobby is really nice, it's modern, it's huge, so no issue there. I think it's really nice, it's beautiful, and it contains a lot of really cool decorations. I will say that waiting area, it's a little bit on the smaller side, but other than that, no issue. As far as the check-in process was easy. There were a little bit of a line, but we arrived here right in the morning when some people are checking out. So I do understand the wait time that it took. But other than that, it was really good. The person who checked us in was okay. I wouldn't say that she was overly friendly, but it was an okay check-in process. Now, granted, our room was not ready, so we couldn't get into our room right away. So we dropped our bags at the concierge, and they were able to keep our bags for there until the room was ready, and we were able to bring those bags back into our room. Now, we came in around 8 in the morning, and our room wasn't available until 2 p.m., which is fine. Again, if you are in a rush, I can see that being a problem. But for us, we did not mind it, so we just left our bags and went about our business, going to the city and do whatever we needed to do, and then came back. So the restaurants here, there is the Bistro, where I think they serve steakhouse in there, but you can basically have breakfast if you don't feel like having a buffet. You can order from a la carte at that specific place, and then for lunch they have lunch menu, and then throughout the day they do offer some stuff that if you need, you can purchase from there. And then for dinner as well, that's where you'll be able to have dinner. So we did not order anything from there, so I don't know if things there are good or not. So we just have to try next time we're here. Now, as for the breakfast had a buffet area, and then also have an area where you can order like an omelet and things like that. So overall, I think it's really good breakfast. Now, I do get it. Some people complain online that it's a repetitive breakfast. They do not change the items, which is fine. But I think what you can do is maybe order from a la carte menu. I think it's really good. I think it's great breakfast. No issues there for us. Our kids enjoy this, so to me, I think it's a win. Breakfast had a lot of variety of items, so coffee, pastries, and they had, as I stated, fresh items such as eggs, like things you can order as well. So to me, I feel like it's really comprehensive breakfast, so really good. Lots of variety, no issues there. We had breakfast as complimentary because we have an elite status with Marriott, and they do not offer a breakfast at the lounge, but instead you get to have a breakfast at the restaurant, so which is really good. As for the gym, there is a gym, but it's not connected to the hotel, so you have to get out and walk around the side, and the gym is there. It's really nice. I checked it out. I couldn't really get videos because people were working out there, so I didn't want people to feel uncomfortable, but it is really a nice gym area. And then they have both downstairs and upstairs. I'll find some pictures or images. I'll put it over here, but it's really nice. So if you're into working out and you're looking for a place to work out, definitely you should check them out. Now for the lounge, which is an amenity that is provided to elite members. The lounge is really nice. It's huge, lots of space over there. When I was there were people sitting there who either are working or just relaxing there. And then in there, they do have a lot of drinks, coffee, tea throughout the day. So if you just want to go there and grab something to drink, you can. And then in the evening, they do have the evening canapé that you can go and take advantage of. Like I say, if you've been watching our videos, I love doing that because sometimes it serves as dinner and you don't have to go out and spend more money. So yeah, so that's really a cool amenity that they have, and it was really nice, so no issues there. So now let's go to the room and I'll show you guys exactly how the room looks like. So I'm going to show you guys a room tour now here of where we're staying here at the London Marriott Kensington. So I'll show you the room. We're staying at the family suite, I believe that's what it's called. And I'll show you guys how everything looks like here. So when you walk in, there's like a closet area here. You can store some stuff here. The space here for our luggage is here. But you can also hang your clothes here. There's additional space up here. And then here, some drawers as well, as you can see. And then here you do have a mini fridge with the safe. I think with the safe you can fit like your computer and important documents over there. And then here you do have the bed. So we have 2 double beds here. They're really huge bed, to be honest. Yeah, lots of pillows. Decoration is a little bit modern. There's a Bible here, telephone here. You do need to bring an adapter to use over here. Same thing for here as well. You're gonna need an adapter to use those, but you do have a clock and then plenty of outlets. Then here you do have lamps on both sides here. Additional lighting over there, similar to this side here. And then on this side here you do have the coffee machine. They give you with the biscuits for you to be able to use that, or cookies for Americans. And then you do have tea and whatever else you need for you to if you want to drink coffee, tea, whatever you want to do. So yeah, and then on this side here, move on to like little living room space. So there's no like enclosure of here with the separation, but it still gives you a lot of plenty of space, right? So sit down area here. So we move over here. You do have a nice chair here. You have a nice lamp there. There's water bottle that they give to you, or can of water given to you. Nice area here, just to be able to sit out here. And I think it can convert as a bed. So we'll see that later on if it's possible. And then of course in here you do have another lamp here. This is a little bit odd, having this over here. I'm usually used to having this in the bathroom, but for some reason they have it over here. And then you have a working space here and a huge mirror over there, of course. And then over here you do have a TV. I don't know if there's anything underneath here. Nope, not able to open this. All right, so there's nothing there. All right, yeah, really nothing there, huh? So, yeah, this is the room area. It's really nice, it's huge. So now we're gonna move over to the bathroom side, and I'm gonna show you guys the view that we have from our space here. And this is the 8th floor. I forgot to mention there's another mirror over here as well. And then here is the bathroom. And the bathroom will start over here. You can see there's two vanity here, so it's double vanity. I like that the fact that they give you this soap. Here is like a Dove bar soap. I'm not sure if it's really by design or not. So there's other amenities that they give to you here. Small bottle of lotion there. But yeah, so double vanity. Same thing here. Again, the thing that I talked about, the blower and dryer, I mean, it should be here, but hey, they say only shavers. And then you have towels here. And then here you do have the toilet. And then you have a tub here. And in this tub, you have different settings as well. Nice. And then last part is over here. You have the actual shower. So there's a shower and there is a space for you to use as a tub. Overall, I think for just one day that we stayed here, I see no issue. The room is modern, the lobby is nice and huge, modern as well. There's a lot of restaurant options over here, whether it is in the hotel itself or around the hotel area. It is close to Metro Line, so I think it's really a great option if you are here in London. This is definitely a place where we recommend if you're looking for a place to stay, especially as a family. They do have family room options available. So if it's in your budget and you're able to book this, definitely recommend booking it. You will not regret it. And as always, I say that each person or each individual experience may be different from other ones. So my experience being here at this hotel could be very well different from somebody else's experience. So just be mindful of that. So just because we recommend it does not mean that everybody will have the same experience. So take it with a grain of salt, but also just make sure that you're evaluating all the reviews. Not all the reviews are reflective of what the hotel provides. Sometimes it's just the experience of that one person, and they can leave mean comment for the hotel, but don't ever let that deter you. Now, in some cases, if you're seeing the pattern of the reviews, then maybe it could be true, but at the same time, always verify for yourself. Anyways, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoy watching this video. And if you did, smack the like button. And if you're not a subscriber, consider subscribing to our channel as we bring you more travel videos like this. All right. Thanks for watching again. Until next time, peace.